Marcus here. Today, we're counting down 10 breakthrough technologies that are actively being developed and set to reshape our world. From limitless energy to the future of computing and robotics, these innovations are about to change everything. Let's dive in. At number 10, we have Proxima Fusion, a company with a bold vision and the technological prowess to potentially reshape our energy future. Their mission? Nothing less than bringing the power of the sun to Earth, harnessing the very forces that fuel our star to create a clean and sustainable energy source for all. Proxima Fusion is laser-focused on stellarator fusion reactors, a cutting-edge approach to fusion energy that offers significant advantages over other designs. Unlike traditional tokamak designs, stellarators are inherently more stable, meaning they don't require complex and often unreliable control systems to maintain the plasma. This inherent stability is a game-changer. This increased stability means stellarators can run continuously, a crucial requirement for a viable power plant that needs to provide a steady and reliable flow of electricity. This continuous operation is what makes them ideally suited for real-world power plants capable of delivering baseload power to meet our ever-growing energy demands. To achieve this ambitious goal, Proxima Fusion is leveraging the power of advanced AI and cutting-edge superconducting magnets. These tools allow their engineers to design these incredibly complex machines faster and more efficiently than ever before, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in fusion technology. If they succeed, and that's a big if, we're talking about a fundamental shift in how we power our world. We're talking about clean, virtually limitless energy, a future free from the constraints of fossil fuels. This means no carbon emissions contributing to climate change and no long-lived radioactive waste to worry about for generations to come. And the fuel source? Abundant and readily available? Water. This isn't just another renewable energy source to add to the mix, it's a potential game changer. It could solve the very core of our energy and climate challenges, providing a sustainable path forward for humanity. Building on decades of dedicated research and countless experiments in fusion science, Proxima Fusion is working tirelessly to turn proven scientific principles into a commercially viable reality, bridging the gap between the lab and the power grid. The hurdles they face are undeniably huge, requiring breakthroughs in materials science, plasma physics, and advanced engineering. But despite these challenges, the progress they're making is real and tangible, offering a glimmer of hope for a brighter energy future. If fusion power, and specifically Proxima Fusion's approach, becomes truly viable, it will fundamentally transform every aspect of civilization, from how we power our homes and industries to how we travel and interact with the world around us. That's why Proxima Fusion, with its ambitious vision and innovative approach, kicks off our list of companies to watch in the quest for a sustainable future. Number 9, IBM's quantum computers are redefining what's possible in computation. Quantum bits, or qubits, can be both 1 and 0, letting these machines solve problems classical computers never could. IBM's Condor processor, with over 1,000 qubits, is opening doors to breakthroughs in materials, medicine, and AI. Imagine simulating molecules for new drugs or optimizing global supply chains in seconds. The tech is still young, these machines are huge and sensitive. But IBM is building the hardware and the software ecosystem to make quantum computing accessible. We won't have quantum laptops soon, but the groundwork is being laid for a new era. This is a fundamental shift in how we process information. The potential is staggering. Quantum computing could solve humanity's toughest challenges. Number 8 on our list brings us to the fascinating world of humanoid robotics. We're talking about 1X's Robot 1X, affectionately known as Eve. Eve isn't just a concept, it's actively being deployed, bringing humanoid robots into real-world jobs and proving their potential in various industries. Unlike the old, clunky prototypes we're used to seeing, Eve uses a sophisticated wheeled base. This design choice prioritizes stability and allows for smooth navigation in diverse environments. Complementing this mobility are AI-powered arms, designed not just for show, but for performing practical tasks with precision and efficiency. However, the real breakthrough, the secret sauce if you will, is in the software that drives Eve. This advanced system allows the robots to learn by watching humans perform tasks, mimicking movements and understanding the nuances of each action. They then refine their skills through a process of trial and error, constantly improving their performance and adapting to new challenges. As a result, these robots can perform a variety of tasks, including stocking shelves in retail environments, patrol buildings, ensuring safety and security, or assist in complex logistics operations, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. The vision here is augmenting, not replacing human workers, creating a collaborative environment where humans and robots work together seamlessly. The ultimate goal is to have robots take on repetitive, mundane tasks, or physically demanding jobs that can be hazardous to human health. This leads to a significant boost in both productivity and overall workplace safety. And the progress in this field is rapid, with new advancements and capabilities emerging constantly. Eve is already performing tasks with impressive dexterity, showcasing the potential of these robots to handle delicate and intricate operations. 1X is methodically building the first generation of truly useful humanoid robots, paving the way for a future where robots are integrated into our daily lives. This has the potential to fundamentally reshape the workforce as we know it, creating new opportunities and transforming existing roles. The future of robotics is rapidly arriving, bringing with it a wave of innovation and change. It's happening one task at a time, as these robots learn, adapt, and become increasingly capable members of the workforce. Number 7, Micron's advanced memory chips are the unsung heroes powering the AI revolution. Their HBM3E memory stacks chips vertically, creating ultra-fast data highways for massive AI models and supercomputers. It's like swapping a garden hose for a dozen fire hoses, critical for training next-gen AI. On the mobile side, LPDDR5X RAM delivers speed and efficiency for AI-powered features without killing your battery. Without these memory breakthroughs, progress in AI and computing would stall. Micron is enabling everything from data centers to your smartphone. Memory is the foundation of modern tech. These chips are quietly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Number 6. Electric aircraft are set to transform aviation. Companies like Aviation are flying battery-powered planes today, targeting short-haul routes and air taxis. The benefits? Zero in-flight emissions, dramatically less noise, and lower maintenance costs. Imagine airports without the roar of jet engines. Urban planning could change overnight. The challenge is battery weight, but advances in materials and efficiency are closing the gap. The first wave is small planes and short distances, but it's a real accelerating shift. Cleaner, quieter, and more affordable flights are on the horizon. This is the start of a new era in aviation. Sustainable flight is finally taking off. Number 5. 3D printing a human heart is moving from science fiction to reality. Researchers use a patient's own cells to print living, beating organs layer by layer with intricate blood vessels. The breakthrough? Printing the vascular network, essential for a functional heart. Teams have already printed small, rabbit-sized hearts with blood vessels. The implications are huge: no more donor shortages, and virtually no risk of rejection. It's personalized, on-demand organ replacement. We're not transplanting these hearts yet, but the proof of concept is here. This could end the organ waiting list forever. Medicine is entering an era of engineered solutions. Number 4. Kara's Willow quantum chip is tackling the biggest challenge in quantum computing: coherence. Using neutral atoms trapped by lasers, Willow's qubits are shielded from noise, giving them longer coherence times. The system's laser tweezers can arrange qubits in any configuration, making it highly scalable and flexible. This approach allows for hundreds of high-quality qubits, ideal for optimization and simulation problems. It's like having a reconfigurable quantum circuit board. Kara's technology could bring practical quantum advantage sooner than expected. It's a different path from IBM, but just as promising. The quantum race is heating up. Willow is a powerful new tool for researchers. Number 3. Apple's Vision OS is redefining how we interact with computers. With Vision Pro, apps become objects in your room. Spatial computing blends digital and physical worlds. No controllers needed, just your eyes, hands, and voice for navigation. The interface feels intuitive, almost magical, removing barriers between you and technology. Apple is refining hand and eye tracking, enabling powerful new spatial apps. This is the next major computing paradigm after the smartphone. Vision OS is the foundation for a future where any space becomes an interactive canvas. The digital and physical are merging. Number 2. NTT Data is quietly building the backbone of smart cities and enterprises. Their smart infrastructure embeds sensors, IoT, and AI analytics into city systems. Think traffic lights that adapt in real time, or energy grids that predict and balance demand. Their digital twins create real-time virtual models of cities and factories, letting planners test ideas and optimize operations. AI sifts through massive data to spot patterns and prevent problems before they happen. It's about moving from reactive to proactive management. NTT Data's work is less visible, but it's transforming how cities and enterprises function. They're laying the digital foundation for the future. Number 1. We're entering a new era of industrial automation. An era where robots are not just pre-programmed machines but intelligent, adaptable partners. Kawasaki's Alice system. This innovative system is at the forefront of this transformation. It is giving industrial robots real-time situational awareness. Imagine a robot that can see, understand, and react to its environment in real time. Traditional robots are powerful but rigid. They perform the same task, the same way, every time. They lack the ability to adapt to even minor changes. Alice uses sensors, a network of sophisticated sensory inputs, cameras, high-resolution imaging systems that act as the robot's eyes, and AI, a powerful artificial intelligence engine to adapt instantly to changes. This allows them to handle unexpected variations in the production process. Robots can now recognize parts, identify different components with accuracy, adjust movements, fine-tuning their actions based on real-time feedback, and even feel pressure, detecting subtle changes in resistance. No more expensive jigs or rigid programming. The system offers unparalleled flexibility. Real-time hybrid control, a sophisticated control mechanism, lets robots switch between speed, optimizing for cycle time, position, ensuring accurate placement and force, applying the right amount of pressure for each task, thousands of times per second. This level of responsiveness is unprecedented. They can perform delicate, human-like tasks that previously required the dexterity and finesse of a human operator, sanding, achieving a smooth and consistent finish, assembling, putting together complex components with ease, or fitting parts with precision, ensuring perfect alignment every time. This leap, this technological advancement, means factories can be more flexible, adapting to changing demands and product designs, efficient, and produce higher quality with less waste. Optimizing resource utilization and minimizing environmental impact. Alice enables automation of tasks that once needed a human touch, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic roles. Robots are becoming adaptable teammates, not just tools, working alongside humans to enhance productivity and safety. Kawasaki is building the intelligent, self-aware factory of the future, a factory where machines and humans work together seamlessly. This is a game-changer for manufacturing. It's a new paradigm that will reshape industries worldwide. That's our list. 10 technologies actively shaping the future, from fusion energy to self-aware factories. Which one do you think will have the biggest impact? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tomorrow's tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.